Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a US visitor visa, also called as a B1, B2 visa. So this type of visa is for people who want to travel to the United States for a temporary visit. The B1 visa is usually for business purposes like attending a meeting, conference, or consulting with business partners. So the B2 visa is usually for tourism, vacation, visiting family or friends, or getting medical treatment. So to start, go to the official travel.state.gov website and open the visitor visa page. So read the basic information first so that you understand what the visa is for and what activities are allowed. Next, you need to complete the online non-immigrant visa application called Form DS-160. Fill out the form carefully because this is one of the most important parts of your application. After submitting it, make sure to print the DS-160 confirmation page because you will need to bring it in your interview. After that, schedule your visa interview at the US Embassy or Consulate where you will apply. Interview wait times can be different depending on the location, so it is better to apply early and check the appointment schedule ahead of time. And before your interview, prepare your required documents. You will usually need your valid passport, your DS-160, confirmation page, your application fee payment receipt if required, and a photo if your photo upload did not work during the online form. You may also be asked to bring extra documents such as proof of your trip purpose, proof that you plan to return home, and proof that you can pay for your travel costs. And finally, attend your visa interview, and then a consular officer will ask questions and decide if you qualify for the visa. After the interview, they will tell you if more processing is needed or what happens next. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.